Alright, so I got word this train to stop down here. First, I didn't even know about it. Try to stabilize the camera a little bit more, and surely enough, it is blocked. See if I can get around all this traffic here. And they've not been down here for too long. It's been a little bit though since I last heard the horn. It sounded like it was a CSX locomotive. I don't know what way they were going. I think that right down there might be the front of it. And I do believe I see the back of it. With, well, either a reflection or another light. Right down there. Yeah, it looks like that might be a light or a reflection, one of the two. Well, aside from that, like I said, if it weren't for, a family relative, I meant to say, I would never know about this train being stopped down here. This is the very first train, that, as far as I know, that's actually stopped down here right after the crossing was repaved. Which, if you haven't seen that video yet, feel free to go watch it. I can only be down here for so long though when they were doing it because, well, my phone only has so much storage that I currently have right now. So yeah, I might as well pause here. So I'll run into that problem again until they start moving. Or well, something happens anyway. Actually, coming to think of it, let me get the camera a little bit more stable. Come to think of it, I think I might be another train that's coming up behind this one. But that's really all I have so far. Not much to really update on. Oh, here's something. I think it's getting ready to start moving here. Oh, sure enough. Oh, it's backing up. Oh, almost got me there. What the?
Almost final destination.
Yeah, that's not really supposed to happen though.
it's just for the call straight through this crank. Like, well,
The last time the train did that, they were actually having a hard time getting the cars to move. Oh, now it's trying to go forward. Well, at least so far they're having no more issues. Yeah. At one point, I actually had to blur one message out because they decided to spray some inappropriate message on it. The end of it's almost down here. Well, it's cleared that one down there. There's the end. Told you. Train device. Oh, that was a little too close.